Good so far, B. Alright. We're going hunting today. We'll shoot whatever we can. Because we can. It's a free country. And that's what we're gonna do today. Shoot everything, anything. I think I shot all the doves in that area. I don't know. Rabbit, squirrels. Whatever. We're starting from the neighbor's house and working our way back to the house. So. We're cooking dinner. And I'm kind of hungry. Alright, this is a rabbit stand right here. Down up in there. You can probably only see a bunch of sticks and stuff. I haven't put in a lot of things. I don't know, I'm kind of tired. I went fishing this morning, so probably why I'm so tired. See if we can get a rabbit or something. I'm only hunting with the .177 caliber. It just flew away. Alright, come on. Something big. Something big, real big. Gotta go. Ambush it. Oh man, it's a robin. Yeah, I don't like to shoot robins. That's my house right there. But I shot a dove out of this tree right here. Tall one. Well, they're all kind of tall, but... And I lost it too. Don't know where it went. Stupid thing. Man, I wish I hadn't shot them. I don't know what. Ooh, got it. Boom. See that? Yeah. Get that.
What kind of bird is that?
Don't know.
Blake, you're not supposed to shoot those
And it's just for the video, so. I'm supposed to shoot these. They're pretty. Headshot. It's good. That's always good to have a headshot. Alright. I guess I'll let you guys go since I got Keel here. Alright, see ya.